I am stuck in mid of speaking in English.
Hi Anshika, good evening.
Good evening.
How are you?
I am fine.
Yeah. First of all, I would like to welcome you to MentorPlus. I hope you enjoy the next 30 minutes with us. Moving on now, please introduce yourself, Anshika.
Ma'am, my name is Anshika Sonkar. I am from Uttar Pradesh and I am doing my graduation. And I have one brother. My father is a businessman and my mother is a housewife.
Okay.
I am studying in Jagran College of Arts, Science and Commerce, where I
In the
do my
field of?
graduation.
In the which
Uh,
field?
Ma'am, what?
Graduation in which field?
In Arts and Commerce.
Okay. And which year are you in?
I'm in second year.
Okay, perfect. So yeah, that's all for all about you.
Um,
What are your
yes, ma'am.
hobbies?
My hobby is listening songs and learning.
Okay, perfect. I am going to introduce myself now. So I'm more than excited to know about you. Yeah. Moving on now, I'm going to ask you certain questions. The first
Yes, ma'am.
question would be, what all challenges do you face when you try to speak in English?
The challenges I will face, I was faced. I am stuck in mid of speaking in English. When I am speaking in English, I am stuck in mid, and the words come in not in my mind. My vocabulary is not too good. That's all.
Okay, no problems. Moving on now, next question is, what all methods have you tried to improve your English? I mean, have you tried talking to yourself in the mirror or to your friends or watching YouTube videos, listening to podcasts, reading newspapers, etc., etc.? Have you tried anything?
Yes, ma'am. I am seeing many videos in YouTube.
Okay, perfect. Yeah. So last question for you would be, why do you think this is the right time to join us? Why do you feel the need to learn English right now? Are you preventing any failure or did you face any failure?
No, ma'am. Uh,
Why do you think
um,
that you want to learn English right now?
ma'am, everyone says when you are read in English medium schools, then why are you not talking in English? Uh, this feels an anxiety and all.
Okay.
And
Okay, perfect. That is totally understandable, and your concern is totally acceptable, and we're going to deal with it. So yeah, moving on now, I am going to brief you about the three sessions that we provide here at MentorPlus. So the first
yes, ma'am.
session that we have is an interview round. The second is the group discussion session, and the third one is basically a storytelling session. This is the one session that we are going to conduct today itself, so that you can have a glimpse as to what all do we provide here. And the topic for today's storytelling session would be the challenging phase of life. First of all, I'll be sharing the challenges of my life. Then I would love to hear from you about the challenges of your life. Works fine with you, Anshika?
Yes,
Perfect. So yeah, moving on. This is all about my challenges. Now we'll love to hear from you about the challenges of your life, Anshika. You can take a minute, think about them, and then speak. No problems. Thank you. Over to you.
ma'am. When I am a child, I am very good in sports. Um, Due to studies, uh, I'm I'm not concentrated in my studies due to this game. But I can't speak.
No problem. That is totally understandable. I talk to a lot of people every day, and many of the people are just like you. They're not even able to speak as much as you spoke. So, I want you to basically have faith in me and feel comfortable with me because I am not going to judge you. People around you might be judging you, but I am not going to judge you. So, you can force yourself. You are not speaking bad. They're just little mistakes. Not many mistakes, I'd say. So, just force yourself, frame sentences. They may be incorrect. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या होगा गलत बोलोगे ना इससे ज़्यादा तो कुछ नहीं हो सकता ना there is no problem to me so please continue.
Um, my studies is not going in a proper way due to my sports and due to my games. because I am taking too much interest in games.
Okay.
Um, so my parents are very angry with me, um, and my results are going down. Um, so so I left the game. So yeah, I left these games and concentrated in my studies. Um, and after all, my 11th and 12th grades are very poor due to these games. Um, then then I also see that I am too much good in studies. Is if I am compared with games, especially I love boxing. Uh, but and very much is and there is too much financial problems because game coaches taking too much fees when they learned anything. Uh, when they give me coaching, they taking too much fees, and there is too much financial problems in my home. Uh, so we are not adjust with them. And um, after all, uh, after all, I do my graduation and concentrate in my studies and taking good marks. And and my aim uh, and my aim is to become a UPSC aspirant. Means no, no, like,
That's perfect, perfect. No problems at all. First of all, I would like to appreciate you for the fact that you forced yourself, even when you were not comfortable in talking, but you literally forced yourself to speak, and kudos to you for that. Okay, full marks for you for that. So, yeah. Now we are going to talk about the areas of improvement that I found in your conversation. The first one is, you know, there is a lot of confusion that you have with regards to present and past tense. So second area of improvement is sentences were misframed. Third thing is always make a note, always take a note that when you are talking to somebody, tell your story in points. Okay.
yes, ma'am.
Fourth thing is vocabulary is very very limited.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Last thing is when you're talking to somebody, your pronunciations are required to be very sharp. So yeah, this is all about today's session. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you have any
Yes,
questions,
ma'am.
I'm up for them.
No, ma'am. Yes, yes.
Okay. And have a good day ahead. Take care of yourself. It was lovely connecting to you. Bye bye.